So today we're going to teach you how to make some macaroni and cheese. Well, it's actually homemade. So what you get first is some macaroni. Of course, that's the macaroni. Get that down. Some macaroni, like fresh ones, like they're not even cooked yet. See, I can't squish them. What do you do next? First, put some hot water into it and put the macaroni inside it. Boil it for 20 minutes. So just on the stove in the pot, and then take it out. And then wait. How do you make it? If you want to be soft, what do you do?
Boil 20 minutes.
Boil 20 minutes. If you want to be hard,
15 minutes.
15 minutes to be hard, and then grab some powdered and then after you're done all that stuff, grab some powdered cheddar. How do you do that?
Just put it in.
So get some cheddar. So first of all, you just have to buy this Annie's Homegrown. Shows the real added cheddar. I love this. And then from a store, and then eat the pasta inside. There should be some leftover cheddar in there. So and
you need more. Do you need more?
So
this is not enough, right?
So use the rest of the cheddar from it to use it here. Yeah, just put the rest of it in, Daddy. It's like it's gonna be very. This was actually my idea to tell my dad to use this.
First time.
This Annie's like leftover. This leftovers. Okay, and then of course it's the bag on the inside. That's garbage. And yeah. Oh, did you just see what happened? I was like, I took that and I dumped it in the really loud. And then what we're gonna do is get a fork. You have a spoon and a fork. After you mix stuff up, you just use a spoon and a fork to clean up the spoon. A fork to clean up the spoon when you're done mixing, and the spoon to clean up the fork.
They clean up each other.
Oh, hi, I'm going to clean your face. Oh, hi, I'm going to clean your butt.
好了，宝贝，拿去吧。你想用哪个东西吃啊？
Wait, what? You're supposed to make it melted. You're supposed to make it melted cheese. You have to boil it more.
Boil?
You have to boil it again.
这已经会化了，宝贝。它那个很烫，这个。这已经都化了，你可以看一下。哦，你这个要看不到这个颜色是吗？
Yeah, we have to have it like liquid.
Liquid. Okay, got it.
It's a type of liquid, like
totally.
It's like mushy, but not like literally liquid.
I got it. 那不是用那个 boil 的方法，妈妈上次用的是微波炉。
So and then
microwave.
Get your microwave. There's our microwave. I got it open. How long do you need it? How long?
I don't know. Let's try 1 minute.
No. It was not. Yeah, it was 1 minute, or maybe it was 5. Yeah, 1 minute.
Let's
Set up to 1 minute.
Take it back.
It's a horrible drawing. The paint was very bad, so I could only draw this much. Not as much as the sun run. Where is it? Where is the sun running? Oh yeah, there it is. It's way more complex. I'll move my Pokemon out of the way. It sucks. Pokemon sucks. Everybody says that. Why is it brighter? Okay. This is for security. I don't think we're gonna need to see that. So what we're gonna do is 3, 2, 1, and done.
Done. 这个完全是 liquid 是吗？
Yeah, no, like mushy. Like the chair has to be mushy.
哇
Let's see.
好 mushy 啊！
Wait, we just have to use a spoon to like spread around so it's become flat. But then this is not even. Wait, this isn't even liquid at all. Oh well, I guess this is good enough, right?
Yeah, nice.
If yours didn't come up. Oh yeah, it's very spread out, you can see it looks like literally, the macaroni looks yellower than it was before.
这跟那个 macaroni cheese 不一样啊。
No, it's the same.
macaroni cheese 上面有一个 layer， 这个完全没有。
Oh yeah, that's because this was actually made for the added cheddar. This is actually added cheddar. This is not real like normal cheddar. This is added. Do you know added cheddar?
从来没吃过。
H cheddar?
坐这里吃。
I don't know how to pronounce it. Wait, can we go over there and eat it? Okay, bye guys. That's the tutorial for today for making some macaroni and cheese dinner. Oh mate, bye.